Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share the video, man. Smash the subscribe button as well so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. What we about to do today, man, somebody been requesting stuff about my Dodge journey, so here you go. We about to install this front splitter off my Dodge Charger onto this car. The reason I'm putting it on this car, not only for video purposes, but because I cannot put it on my town car. It's just too small. And it just is what it is. It's not gonna fit, it's not gonna look right even if I did. So if it's perfectly on here, but if you are local to the OKC region, like Yukon, Mustang, Edmond, places like that, man, I do automobile detailing. My business name is Gad's Mobiles Detailing. I do interior, exterior cleaning. So if you are watching this video and you need your car cleaned and you in the OKC region, call. So yeah, call that number below. Preferably text. I mainly answer the text. I don't answer calls. I have like my phone on like this little thing. If you got an iPhone, you know what I'm talking about, where it kind of assigns calls. So if you're calling from an unknown number, then my phone never contacted, it's not gonna pick up. It's gonna sound as a call automatic. But make sure you text that number. You can hit me up on the website as well, on Facebook, Gas Mobile Detail, all that. So make sure you hit me up if you need your car detailed. Well, in that
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loves. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap.
So I do have some black paint on here. Probably gonna have to repaint it. I just used the paint that I had left. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, this splitter part right here was red, so I was painting over it black.
You're listening to a Montes production.
So since this is an SUV, I don't have to do any lifting up. At least I shouldn't have to. So all you're literally gonna need is a drill and some screws, man. That's it. Literally drill and screws, man. So my bad, y'all. I should have pulled the car out the garage a little bit and filmed that side. What I'm doing is putting that side in, putting one screw in on that side, and then I'm going on the other side. So I'm starting on my driver's side, and I'm going back to my passenger side. So it's funny for a moment, but this is how I do it, because this piece is actually a little bit bigger on this car than it was on my Charger. It fit perfectly on my Charger. My Charger is a lot wider, a little bit wider in this car, so that's why you see it like that. So I'm just trying to get everything squared away pretty much. I'm just trying to line up my backside and stick out a little further. They're about the same size. I can see that. Sticking out about the same size. I thought this was actually like a perfect fit, but it's just a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna try to make it fit as best as I can. It's gonna look real clean, I already can tell. But you see, like it's kind of bent downward right there. I'm not sure if I can see it's like bent in because I put both sides in on purpose. Cause it's not you see that side is straight and this side is like bent in. So we're gonna try to make it fit, man. It's already looking kind of nice so far. Definitely gotta show y'all the outside. It looks a little clean. Still not done yet. Other than that, man, all I did was put one screw here, one screw here, one screw here, here, and then like one. I'm not done. I still gotta screw some more in to make it look good. So yeah. This is kind of how to keep it on there. So I got it in there. Y'all saw where it was bending at. But you see up under here, I'm not sure if you can see, but I had to take one of these screws out right here
and like kind of move it over. I forget where it's at, but if y'all can see, man, let me know. But yeah, I put this, I had to move this, it twisted, and I put it in there. So only downfall is this little piece right here, but you ain't gonna be able to see it because it's black anyway. But other than that, it fits perfectly on there. I'm kind of wiping down so it can look clean for the video.
Laugh, I'm laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.